Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. Let's make it a great night. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Don't make assumptions. Be yourself around others. The biggest assumption that humans make is that everyone sees life the way we do. We assume that others think the way we think, feel the way we feel, judge the way we judge, and abuse the way we abuse. We are afraid to be ourselves around others because we think that others will judge us, victimize us, abuse us, and blame us as we do ourselves. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 40, NASDAQ flat, no, NASDAQ down 4, S&P's up 250, gold contract up $2, trading $12.89 an ounce. Silver up 6 cents, $16.89 an ounce. Platinum down $1, $9.20 an ounce. Copper, ooh, that's a nice bid, up 5 cents, $2.97 a pound. We'll get into that copper market. HGZ7. Let's go see what happened with copper out here. So, HGZ7. Copper market. Okay, so we caught a bid in copper. Comes down to where it broke out from. Copper is something you want to really keep your eye on, too, because the last leg up on copper, it started at 251 4 months ago, went up to 317. Where it broke topside again was 289. And we come right out 290. This is a good scene, man. Okay, copper's going to go make a run for the highs again, 317. Big number. Oil, light sweet oil, down 57 cents, trading $51.57 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note, up 3 ticks, 125.17. 30-year bonds down 5 ticks, 152.25. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they're in an ABC structure on the way down. If we do take a look at the 30-year, your price projection is the last swing low that was established out here on July 7th. Right now, we are at 152.24. The 150.11 is your ABC structure on the way down. Yesterday, you took out your B, you took it out with volume, had wide price spread, had all of the above. That being said, the 30-year folks would have to go down an additional 3 points and 11 ticks in order to break a major swing point. And we haven't broken a major swing point since 2000. Yes, you heard that right, 2000. It's phenomenal, actually. What that means specifically is that rates have continued to go down. King dollar closed out 92.990. You've done 24,000 contracts. The swing point it was going for was August 16th. That high there is 93.840. The low of that high is 93.180. So what do? You go into it, you had lighter volume, we closed underneath it as we closed underneath the highs of yesterday and the highs of the day before. So what that's setting up right now is that is setting up that we're going to go after the day of strength, which the last day of strength was on Monday. No, not Monday. Let's see. September 20th. 92.495. So down about another 400 ticks. Now, if we get into that area and you have any volume at all, bottom line, this very well could be just a small B to a C of a much larger ABC structure on the way down. Because what is sticking out like a sore thumb is the 88 level, which was the highs of 2008 and 2010. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin, because I want to show you something in Bitcoin. There was a lot of news today in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin traded flat also, which is really unusual for Bitcoin. You got a high out there of 42.75. You're at 41.50. The high in Bitcoin is 49.21. You know, that being said, you had one of the companies pull back their, they were trying to get listed on the NYSE in order to basically trade. More so, though, okay? This is what you have out here. So if we go over to, and this is the whole deal about what happened if you were around in the internet era of all you had to do for a public company is put out a press release and put out that release saying that, hey, guess what? We're going to be an internet company now. Well, if we go over to goldmoney.com, goldmoney.com is a Canadian company, financial technology company that operates gold-based savings and payment networks, right? Bottom line, they put out a press release, and inside that press release, they were talking about, oh, that's Chef's company. I didn't know that. Okay, cool. Inside that company, they were talking about that what they're going to do now is that you are going to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Okay, so bottom line, stock closed yesterday at traded 375 yesterday. Today, 464. That's not the only one, though. Check this out. Because I'm trying to figure out whether they followed Overstock. Because what happened is that Overstock.com, okay, came out yesterday, and Overstock is up 15 cents today. Well, watch what happened with Overstock. Overstock yesterday, folks, went from a price point of $23 up to $29. And that Overstock app came out yesterday, and they were talking about announcing a launch of a Security and Exchange Commission compliant digital token exchange. So digital token exchanges are huge, folks. That's the bottom line. Overstock did it yesterday. Gold Money did it today. We'll find out who's going to do it tomorrow. The kicker and the point of the story more than anything is that is this a bubble? Meaning, basically, are we all going to be trading cryptocurrencies now? That's kind of how this thing's going to shake out. 877-927-6648. Some of the higher volume stocks, and this was a low volume market out here today. You had Chesapeake Energy off 7. You had Ford up 1. Applied Materials, that was a move. That was up $1.75. Gilead Science was down $2.95. You stay right there, folks. We come right back.